What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna get started a little bit different. We're gonna do an oil change on my 2017 F250, only using original Ford stuff, Motorcraft. Let's get to it, and then I'll get on to the Foxbody and what we've done and what we have to do. All right, oil change is done just in time for rain here in sunny South Florida. So let's close this up and get to the Foxbody content. Do you guys want me to feature the truck on the channel? Let me know. Comment below. Yes or no? All right, now that we're done with the oil change, let's get into the Foxbody content. From the last time you saw, the floor is coated, PR15. Have the seats in, just mocked up. I wanted to make sure everything went in fine, especially the back seats with the mini tubs. They're all right. You know, when somebody tells you, yeah, it'll fit, no problems, you better check and make sure what they're telling you is true. But overall, the seats themselves fit. Still have to get the dash painted and put back in, but that'll be after I paint the engine bay. I have it sitting right here. We're gonna take a page from the Infamous Project's book, Presidio Gray with the black. Let's take a look in the back. Let's grab the keys. Open up the hatch. Shout out to South Florida Foxbody Meetup. Check them out on Instagram for Foxbody meets down here in South Florida. All right, so mini tubs, got all the plugs in. Here's the back seats. Thinking of doing some sort of, since this is going to be a street car, some sort of a custom enclosure here for subwoofers or something, just to cover up this area. Originally I wanted to hide them in the spare tire well, but I think this will work out better up here. That way we conceal the mini tubs. We're getting there, slowly but surely. So the power plant, here we go. Stock 5-liter complete engine from a 93, give or take 120, 130,000 miles more or less. But it's all there. The engine ran. I'm gonna throw a clip of the engine running. basically for now, for stage 1 is gonna be restoring and resealing this engine just to get the car moving. After that, you know, who knows what we'll do. Small block for the stroker, Coyote, who knows. Here we also have the T5 that's gonna go along with this engine. Have to get that checked out. Bell housing and all the interior panels. Have those red panels and those fenders for sale, and that dash for whoever's interested. If you're local to me in South Florida, those are available. Hit me up, you know. I'll put my contact info, my email down in the comments, down in the description, I mean. AC box, that's gonna get rebuilt. I already took off the heater core. That was toast, leaking from everywhere. Evaporators next. That's a job in itself. Blower fan. Basically the whole box is gonna get revamped before I put it in. But I have to wait until paint the engine bay so I can get that in. What else do we have? Still on the lookout for a sunroof, unless somebody can fix this rusty sunroof I have. It has rust here, basically all around the perimeter. You know, if I can find one in good shape, that'd be great. You know, if anybody has one, again, we'll put my contact information in the description. Let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. I have to cover this hole. All right, guys, that's pretty much what I have for you today. I know you guys like to see some hands-on action. That's why I included the oil change of the truck in the video. But we got to get working on this thing. Hopefully in the next several weeks, I can get that in for paint on the engine bay so we can start throwing the engine back together, throwing the suspension in the front, and finally get this roller moving. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, put some comments down below. It'll only help me grow this channel and bring you better content. I would appreciate each and every one of you, and stay tuned for the next one.